Your Dario blood glucose monitoring solution has everything you need to monitor your blood sugar. An all-in-one meter, disposable lancets, and test strips. To get started, remove the adhesive strip and open the white cartridge cover. Remove the cardboard insert. Open the foil test strip package and remove the test strip cartridge. Insert the cartridge into the cartridge holder with the test strip cap facing outwards. Snap the cartridge cover back on. Next, remove a sterile lancet. Open the orange lancet cover and carefully insert the lancet into the slot as far as it can go. Twist off the lancet cap. Turn this dial to adjust the lancet depth setting. 1 is the shallowest depth, 4 is the deepest depth. Snap the orange cover back on. Finally, slide here to release the smart meter, and your Dario is ready for use.